So let's take this last example for this topic, percent problem. So in percent problem, um, problem is not always as easy as you think, no? As you have seen in our previous two examples, there are times, especially in a real life problem, real world problems, um, the problem statement is not as easy as those that you have seen in the previous examples. Like for example here, another example, something like this. The problem is very long, but what you need here is the basic concept. Once you know the basic concept, then you will be able to solve this problem in even less than 30 seconds. It's just a matter of establishing what is your equation out from the given problem. Okay, so let's read the problem together. Johanna has a coupon at the guitar store for 15% off any purchase of $100 or more. She wants to buy a used guitar that has a price tag of $220 on it. Johanna wonders how much money the coupon will take off the original $220 price. Okay, so to aid you or to help you in your solution, is better to write down what are the givens in the problem and then what is required, so that you can easily build your equation. So as mentioned in the previous videos, when you are solving percent problems, you have to deal with those items like the quantities or the items, we call it the right word is quantities. No, we need to work with three quantities. And what are those quantities? Those are the percent, the amount, and the base. So it's better if you can easily recognize what are the givens in the problem. So in this problem, we're given the percent, right? So the percent given the problem, that is the number that contains the percent symbol, which is 15%. And then take note that we have two amounts here, or not amounts, the base. So it says that any purchase of $100 or more. Okay, so we have $100 here, and we have also $220 here. So it might confuse you if you don't understand this problem statement correctly. Okay, so the problem says that there's a coupon that Johanna holds that has a 15% off any purchase of $100 or more. But the problem says she wants to buy a used guitar that has a price tag of $220 on it. So it's a matter of finding which of these values that you need to use. Okay, so since she wants to buy this used guitar at this price tag of $220, so that is our, what is that? That is our base. Okay, that is the base. So the base is equal to $220. Now the question is, how much money the coupon will take off the original $220 price. So that is the fraction of that amount. That is the, how do you call it? That is the amount, the discount, or the, okay, so in other words, this is our requirement, the amount. Okay, so we know that from the formula says that the percent multiplied by the base equal to amount. So we are going to base our equation from this formula. Okay, so we're given the percent, which is 15%. Okay, so 15%. So it says 50% of any purchase of. So the word of means times. Of what? That is a price tag, no? Of the price tag that is 220. Okay? So equal to the amount. So that is what we need to solve. Okay? Then you can represent that by x or any variable you want. Okay? So we have established our equation now. So it's easy to solve. We know that when you divide 15% by 100%, this is equal to 0.15. Then multiply this by 220, and that is our x. So 0.15 times 220, that is equal to 33. So that is our x. And the unit of this number is in dollars. So that is the amount. This is the answer. Okay, so I hope you understand the process. So the problem is very long, but actually this is a very simple problem if you know the concept. So it's a matter of remembering this. Price times the base equal to amount. And also it's a matter of recognizing what is the base, what is the amount, and what is the percent. Alright, so that's all. Thank you.